Beauty. So we're back again with another marbling ombre nails. So this is what we're going for today, and if you want to see how we did them, continue watching. So the first thing that we want to apply our nails, and when we apply our nails, we cut them to the length. And with these tips, I wanted them a little bit more tapered into a coffin nail, so I'll be cutting the size of each of these nails. Not too much of the nails, but not too less, you already know. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below if you haven't already done so. Now force the thing, now pressure you. If you don't want to comment, you don't have to comment or like. Also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at BareBeauty Services. So now I'll be taking my emery board to straighten up these nails. I'll be using the 180/100 grit. Also I'll be using the finer side to sharpen up these nails. And after doing so, I'll then go in with my acrylic work. These are the acrylics. This is chocoberry and neon yellow, and I'll be going in with chocoberry first and placing the neon yellow on top. It can be vice versa. It all depends on what you want, which color you want to be prominent on the nail. So whenever you're working with marble nails, acrylic marble nails, you want to work with your brush quite moist because we want to move the product very easily. Also, we have to ensure that the ratio of the acrylic to liquid is good, the content is right, so we move the product on the nail very seamlessly without even trying. So also you want to place your fingers in a downward position whenever you're marbling, so gravity can take effect. So you don't have to be focusing on getting the product down your nail while at the same time trying to marble it. So once you place your finger at that 90 degrees angle, the product will naturally run down on the nail depending on how you place the content at the very first start. So as I mentioned before, ensure that you have the content of the liquid to acrylic down pat, and also you have a very moist brush working with. So the gravity will pull down the product while you are marbling the nail, and also this speeds up your time. So now I'll be going in with peaches and cream. So this is my base color, just like any ombre. There's nothing different about this ombre besides the fact that it's on marbling ombre nails. So I'll be going in with peaches and cream, and I'll be doing this in several beads because I want to ensure that the nail is fully covered, and I will be pulling that product down. With some of the ombres that I do, especially marbling, I tend not to do any capping just before because I find that it takes away from the nail, a lot from the nail too. So I'm thinking about changing my standards and how I go about ombring any nail whatsoever. So I will go in with the color of my choice depending on if I want to do a straight color or if I want to do marbling, and then I'll go over with my base color. So it all depends on the base color too, because if the base color is highly pigmented, you don't want that color to not blend well. So you will go in and encapsulate, and the only time that I will ever encapsulate is if I'm dealing with a glitter ombre. So in most cases, I find that I think I will more go to going with the base color first, and then encapsulating at the end. There are rare cases now that I will ever encapsulate and then go in with the base color and then encapsulate again. That's a whole thickness that we don't want to be filing. To avoid that, I think you should just add the base color and then you encapsulate the nail and then you file and then you're good to go. So now that I've applied the base color to the cuticle area, now I'm going in with medium bead to encapsulate the entire nail. So I won't be encapsulating the whole entire nail because I don't want the nail to be thick. I'll be going in just where the base color is and the marbling portion is, and I'll ensure that the nails are properly encapsulated because we don't want it to be an instance where we're filing and then we file into the ombre, because what's the point of the ombre after that? You already know. So yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. I will encapsulate all the nails, ensure that every one of them are encapsulated properly, and then I'll come back with the filing portion. So now I'll be going in with my e-file, going around the cuticles. So also I want you guys to note, so I know this video is full of tips and I hope you guys are taking notes. But anyways, so whenever you're filing nails, doing any form of nail art, anything to the nail, you always have to ensure that you have the anchor finger, and the anchor finger is usually the pinky finger and is usually resting on something. So if you watch very closely, you will see my pinky finger resting on one of my nails or the palm of my hand whenever I'm filing, depending on how I'm filing. What the pinky does is stabilize your hand with the machine so it doesn't go all around the nail and losing your nail or losing your your client's cuticles, because that's not funny at all. So ensure that you always have that finger anchoring down. So now we're moving on. We're almost done. So we're going to top coat each of these nails, and then afterwards we're going to bling out the nails, one of the nails. We're going to bring out the ring finger, we're going to cure, we're going to oil the cuticles, and then we'll be done. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. If you don't want to do, that's fine. You always have the opportunity to do it on the next time. So also follow me on my social medias, that is Instagram and TikTok at BareBeauty Services. Go and follow me because I tend to have a lot of content posting very regularly, and if you want to be the first to see what I'm coming with, definitely go follow me on TikTok and definitely follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope you guys find this video very informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.